I have told you times without number not to joke with this trading strategy, okay? Because with this trading strategy, you are most likely to be having more profitable trades than what you are having right now. So all you need to do right now is to sit down and watch this video to the end to understand how it works and how you can apply the same strategy from your end, okay? This is very easy to do. You can see right here. Here is an asset that we traded, okay, after getting this set up, okay. We put our stop loss at this resistance zone, and this happened to be our entry point, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. And do you know the beautiful part of this? All these happened on 15-minute time frame, okay. So this is so amazing. This simply means that, okay, this trade was not for a short period of time, it was for a very long period of time. At least if it didn't take over 24 hours, it's going to take hours before we achieve all the TPs. And this is how you too can also milk all the other assets like this on your own within the comfort of your home. All you just need to do is just to follow simple instruction, learn a strategy, follow the instruction guiding it, and of course you will get it right. So sit tight and watch this video to the end as I show you how I'm able to come up with a signal, okay. And of course guys, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, here is an asset called FX volume 80. This particular asset does not have sudden spikes, okay. So it goes normally just like every other currency pairs or other assets, okay. So which means this same strategy also works for other assets, okay. So this is how amazing it is. So this particular asset actually got to the resistance zone at this point. Like I always tell you, when the market, when the chart gets to the resistance zone, okay, most especially major resistance zone, that is the best time for you to sell. However, only two things can happen from there, okay. Either there is a breakout above that resistance zone, or probably there is a switch into a downtrend right from there, which gives you an opportunity to sell, okay. So this is very, very important, and it is the best place to start selling from. That is if there is no breakout. Since there is no breakout around here, so what did I do? I had to wait for the switch to happen. You can see this yellow color changing into a red color, and immediately that happened, what did I do? I quickly set up my trade. My entry point, I added to it, and of course my stop loss, I put it there, and of course I also added some highlighted TPs. I love my first TP to come very fast because I want to add something to my balance, okay. So first TP, second TP, third TP, and fourth TP, okay. So that is so amazing, and just the way you are saying this, these achieve all the TPs and even went beyond that, okay. So it's got to this support zone, and if you watch my last update on this particular signal, I said if it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will switch into an uptrend, okay. So right now it has been playing around there trying to see if it can break out below it, but as it is finding difficult to break out below it. So we are actually waiting for a clear switch around here. So once it's changed from this red color into a yellow color, then definitely we get a we are now, if we are able to get a buy signal, then we can now come in at that point, and at that point we can put our stop loss somewhere here. Remember, we are yet to get a clear signal, but I'm just showing you what we should look out for. We can put our stop loss somewhere at the support zone, and our entry point at when we get the yellow signal, the uptrend signal, and of course the buy signal. So probably it should be around here, or maybe here. Okay, so this should be the entry point if the signal actually pops up, and of course this should be the stop loss. Then we can still take advantage of these highlighted TPs. However, I'm going to add one more to it, okay, because I still expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these can be our highlighted TPs if this actually gives us a proper signal, okay, which we can go with. Okay, so let's keep an eye on it and see if the signal will pop up before it gets to the entry point. Okay, and of course guys, here is another beautiful example. This is Paynex 999. This particular asset, we actually traded it for weeks. Okay, I think we started from here. Okay, from here guys, we started from here, and of course we got the breakout around here, and it had been, the trade actually started from somewhere here when it switched into an uptrend, but got to this region, had a pullback. Of course, it didn't get back to the entry point and went back up, and right from there it has been buying, got to this resistance zone, played around there for a while, tried to go into a downtrend, but went back up to break out above it, and you can see this is how beautiful it is. So once you get this strategy right, then you are most likely to be milking the market all the time. And what is this strategy about? It is a trend trading strategy, and what you need to do is to know, to identify the current trend of the chart. If it has gone too far, okay, wait for it to switch over. That is, wait for that part of it where it will be switching from that current trend into a new trend. Okay, and this usually happen at the support and resistance zone, which means you should be able to identify the current trend, you should be able to identify where it is switching, and you should be able to identify the support and resistance zones. Okay, and of course guys, you should be able to set up, I mean, you should know the proper way of setting up your order, your entry points, just the way we did here. Your entry point, your stop loss is very, very important for your orders. I mean, when setting up your orders, for each of the order you are opening, make sure there is a dedicated stop loss for each of them. Okay, so this is very, very important. And the last part of it is highlighting the TPs. That is, if you want, okay, you can decide to make it walk through it, I mean, just flow along. Okay, for instance, I am expecting to get to this region, I can just delete all these other TPs and allow it to get to this region and use the stop loss to trail it up till it get to the final TP which I want it to get to. Okay, and of course, the most especially if you are not having huge capital, you might not be able to place multiple order. For instance, if I am to trade this particular asset, okay, I'm going to place 5 orders on this. Okay, right from here, 5 orders right from here. The first order, I will make sure it achieves this TP. The second order, I will make sure it achieves this TP. The third order, I will make sure it achieves this TP. And the fourth order, I will make sure it achieves this TP. So that way, I always have something for myself in the balance. And the fifth order, I will make sure it achieves this TP. Okay, that is the one that we go for a very long time. Okay, so as each of them are getting to their destination, they will be taken away from the markets with the profit going straight to my balance. Okay, I think that is clear enough. Okay, but for those that are having small capital, they might not be able to do the same thing. Okay, they can just target this TP and of course erase the rest of the TPs, just the last TP, or probably they can go for this if the risk will be too much. And another way to go about it is target the last one. In short, I will advise you to target the last one and use your stop loss to trail it up to the very end. Don't worry, probably in my next video I will shed more light on that so that you will understand how to strategize your trading activities in order for you to always make profit each time you go into it. At least in most cases you will be making profit, even if not all the time. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I hope you guys have learned a lot today. There are so many juicy trading activities, I mean juicy assets for us to trade today. So you can look into it one after the other. Most especially if you are having the custom made indicator, you will be able to get the signal quickly. Okay, but for those of you who are not having, you can check out the Telegram channel. It's most likely for me to drop some good trading signal for you guys. Of course, I've given you one already, this particular one, FX volume 80. Okay, you should check it out. So far it did not break out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to buy. So you guys can tap into it right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. If you want to know more about my custom made indicator you are seeing on the chart, then you can send message to me, direct message to me on WhatsApp. That is the only place I attend to people who want to know more about my custom made indicator. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.